around since 2022, you know for a fact that I have really struggled with whether I want to stay a baker or I want to quit. And it's been on and off even before then. And towards the end of last year, I realized it's not the baking that I actually don't like. It's how much work has now been put into running a business, being a content creator, even if it's just, I enjoy content creating personally, but having to follow trends, having to do all this has genuinely taken a toll on me as a baker and as a person. And I just called myself for a small meeting and realized I don't hate baking at all. And the thing I miss the most about baking is baking back in the day, how I used to do it back in the day. And with that, I decided I want to open a new bakery or business where I do cakes like I used to do back then. My favorite cakes used to be sponge cakes. And so, um, I've decided to not reopen, a new bakery called Whisked Temptations, where I just do sponge cakes with whipped cream, just simple cakes where I don't have to follow trends. I just have to do things that are near and dear to me, cakes that don't take too much mental toll. I know they still will because it's still work, but it's cakes that I find easy to do and people still get to enjoy. So if you want to follow that side of my business, I will leave the business tagged in this video so you can follow that as well. And no, I am not quitting Pastry Pleasures. I will run both businesses concurrently. Yeah, so I will see you in the next one as usual. Bye.